Welcome this video title The Art and Science of Wood's Home Construction Comprehensive World Plan. Introducing building a home is a significant undertaking and choose the right construction material is crucial. Woods house have growing popularity of their sustainability, aesthetic appear, and energy effective in this comprehensive plan. We will explore the key stop and considering involved in construction hours house. Choose the right wood. Select the right wood is critical of the century integrity and longevity of your house. Common choose include plan, cedar, and oak. Earth wood type have distinct character in team of strength, dragability, and resisting to block consist with a perfecting in treatment. The more sustainability would special for your sustain location and climax. Window and door select energy affect wood and door to maximum nature lights wall minimalist hard loss popularity salt window and door custom built to the overall exit of the house considering double door glass window and instant door to enhance performance and during energy sustain. Interior finisher choose sunsetability and eco-friendly material for interior finisher. Wood house gas warm and charm and incorporating wood into the interior design enhance the overall aesthetic. Consider use reclaimed or recycled wood of fold, clumbo, and trim. to maximize input. Wall and roof construction. Choose high quality insert material to enhance energy effect and regulate indoor temperamenting popular in choose from wood house to provide hard laws drink water and out hard in summer considering the install of a report bring to control level when construction the roof demo on the type of roof material that contemporary the static and provide project again the elements. Conclusion a wood house is a revolve and lay that combo sportsmanship, sunset ability, and functionality by follow this comprehensive plan you can negotiate the comeback of wood house construction and create a house that not only meet your need but also state as a testament to the beautiful and durability of wood as a building material.